Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix general failure ping error on Windows 10. But I'm doing this using Windows 11 computer, but process is similar to Windows 10. And also, as initial step, you need to restart PC and router. If you're using router, try to restart your router at least 30 seconds. Then after, restart your computer by just go to start menu, tap on power icon, tap on restart. This will restart your computer and clear the temporary network issues. And the next method is you can go to search bar, type command prompt like this, right click on it, tap on run as administrator, tap on yes. So you need to, in here you need to type net sh space int space ip space reset and hit enter. Once it is done, again you need to type net sh space winsock sock space reset, hit enter. This will fix the corrupted network stack, and make sure to restart your computer also. And again you need to open command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator. Now you need to type ipconfig space / release, hit enter. Once it is done, again you need to type ipconfig space / renew. This will fix the IP conflict issues. And finally, you need to again type ipconfig / flush DNS like this and hit enter. This will flush the DNS related ping failure and remove the cache. And the next method is you need to check network adapter. Right click on the start menu, go to device manager, right click, double tap on network adapters, right click on your wireless adapter or Ethernet adapter, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers. If it is not working, again close, right click on it, tap on update driver, select the second option, select the let me pick from a list option, select your adapter, tap on next. This will reinstall the same driver and it will also help to fix your issue. And the next method is you need to disable DNS. Go to start menu, go to setting, go to network and internet in the left side menu, go to VPN. In my case, there is no VPN setup in here. If you set up any VPN, try to turn off, because VPN causes the general failure and reduce the ping. So if you're using third-party VPN, same thing for that one, also turn it off. And next method is you need to check the firewall. Go to start menu, go type Windows Fire Security, tap on it. In here, tap on firewall and network protection. You can see firewall is turned it off, turn on. Go to each and every one, turn it off like this, tap on yes. Again go back and turn it off in here also. Do the same thing for 3 networks. This will confirm the firewall not blocking your ping. And the next method is you need to reset network setting. So go to start menu again, go to setting and go to the network and internet option and scroll down and go to advanced network setting, go to the network reset, tap on reset now option. This will remove the network fix. And finally you can test your ping by just go to search bar and search for command prompt, type ping 8.8.8.8 and hit enter. If it shows some kind of reply with the ping, you can see my ping is 56, 50, 71. That means little bit okay. If you see any kind of stable ping, that means your ping is okay.